Welcome guys. In this video tutorial, I will talk to you about how to edit collection templates in my designs in that IO. Well, wait a minute. In the description, I have a link for you about my designs. I suggest you to click on it and enjoy the discounts. Here we have some options. For example, listening, orders, jobs, assets, and settings. We use listenings. For that only we need to click on it. But before that, I need to explain you something really important. Here you can see that we have a file limit, and that limit is 2 gigabytes. It's really important you to know this because, for example, you upload some files and that files are really heavy. Basically, the space will be filled quickly, really quickly. Why I'm explaining this to you? It's simple because some of you maybe don't know that. If you want to have more space, you only need to click on it and here and upgrade your plan. You only wait like 5 or 3 minutes and basically buy the plan. It's a little expensive, but in the description and the link comment, you have a discount. You can use it for this. We'll continue with the tutorial. For example, here in listing, we have some options. And for example, if you don't know nothing about my designs, in the channel we have a lot of tutorials. And that tutorials can help you like in selling in Etsy and how you can sell it in Etsy. And other things really important. You can see it. When you are here, we have some options. For example, we have these 3 lines. And with these 3 lines, we can change it. For example, the list view. Here we have the title, the text, and the description. And here you have, for example, the mockups and the images. In the channel, I have a tutorial. In that tutorial, I teach you how you can do the mockups. It's really short tutorial. You can see it. Here we have, basically we can delete the name, hide 4, and that's it. Only we click here and basically that's it. When you click on other sites, these have automatic save. We have some options. For example, if you click here in edit mode, what's up? I don't know, but you can click in grid on this view. In this view, you can edit the description, the title, the text, etc. For example, in publication mode, it's basically a future option that my design has. In that time, I will create a tutorial for you. Don't worry. If you want to create a new template, you only click here in template, and we have some options here. Basically, we can add a title, a field name, a field type. For example, sell CDs, take area, tax, or number. You can select whatever you want. For example, number. Maximum of number of shares. For example, I can click here and edit for 11. Tax. The tax you need to see it in Etsy store. Whatever is the place when you want to sell. Something important here is that, for example, here you can delete whatever you want. For example, video markup, you only place here, and yes, delete the slot. You can delete this other slot and this other one. And if you want add once, you only click here and the plus. You can load a template too, for example, here with edit print on demand, Etsy digital, merge Titan automation, matched by Amazon, basic print on demand template, and other things. For example, this is the more simple tag. You only click in here, install, and you have the options. For example, in Etsy too, you only click in install and you have all the options. For example, you can just select this and you have less options, and install. And that's it. A few seconds, and well, you can see the template now. So yes, you something. You need to take the time with this because this decide if you sell something or not. Why? For example, if a client see one of your products and that product it's not really explained or don't have a good description or good images, why that client it's buy to you that object? Well, you don't have good description, you don't have good images, that person is not going to buy you nothing because you don't have nothing to offer. For example, if you want to save, you only click here in save change, and that's it. You see here in basically edit mode, you have a description. And wow, or how you write that description? Well, you can use ChatGPT for that. For example, this description. It's basically embrace the allure of the feline mystic with this captivating cat friend destined to add a touch of elegance to any space, with its personalized and poisoned demur. The majestic creature beckons you into a world of timeless beauty and quiet sophistication. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, these high-quality prints capture, etc. Basically, that it's a prompt created on ChatGPT. I only write this: create a description for a cat images for sale in Etsy. Well, you can write with more details for ChatGPT, create a more elegant description for you. Remember to be as accurate as possible for ChatGPT give you a more beautiful result. Well, here we only copy this, and well, and that's it. We have the description now. In the title, we can write something. For example, hi. This is autosave. Waiting due to conflict change, manual action required. You only click here in keep or override, wherever you want. And that's it. You create the title and the tags. For example, the tags you need to see what tags are basically of your product in Etsy. Not here. For example, I can put hi 2 and hi 4. Again, keep, and that's it. When you finish this, you only need to publish your listing. You only click here, products, and well, all these steps, and that's it. It's basically all. Thanks for watching and subscribe.